Hello, I'm Prabha. I'm making this video on the request of my students who have requested me to help them in preparing the resume. I have tried to share few sample resumes as well. The first time the recruiter gets to know you is through your job resume. Hence, you should try to make the right impression on the recruiter right away from what that you need to make sure that your job resume is both eye-catching and compelling enough to get you the interview call. So follow the below mentioned tips to get your job resume noticed by the recruiter. In the present corporate scenario, there are limited job openings but an abundance of job seekers in the market. With such kind of competition, you need to have a flawless job resume by your side. You are trying to sell yourself on that piece of paper, therefore, write the information in such a manner that reflects what the recruiter is looking for in the ideal candidate. Hence, to make it easier for you to write an impassable resume, remember that you have to keep the industry first. Before you even start writing your resume, you should go through the job description sent to you by the hiring manager or your training and placements department. Doing this will help you better understand the requirement of the job role and the kind of candidate the interviewer is looking for. In addition to that, you should also go through the company's website and read about them as much as possible. Doing this will help you customize your job resume as per the job profile. Moreover, putting the industry in the highlight will tell you the recruiter that you have done your homework and are serious about this job. You have to have a tailor-made job resume. Just like one clothing size does not fit all. Similarly, one resume cannot cater to all sorts of job profile. Your job resume should be targeted towards the audience and keeps the industry requirement at the front and center. Moreover, you should also incorporate industrial keywords into your resume. You can find them in the job description or under the What Are We section in the company's website. Doing this will make your resume more focused and job oriented. However, excess of anything is bad. So make sure not to overstuff your resume. Therefore, your resume must be customized with every job post for it. Will show the recruiter your dedication towards the job. Third important point we need to remember is the format of the resume. The format of a resume is very important to make you stand out from the crowd. Resume format depends on whether you are a fresher or an experienced candidate. For a fresher, if your academics are strong, then highlight them in your resume. However, if that is not the case, then you do some certifications to boost your resume. Internships are a great way to show the recruiter that you have on-ground experiences. In this lockdown period, you can also do some online courses through Coursera or Udemy or some other platform. For an experienced candidate, your main focus should be your work experience. Mention your role and responsibilities in detail and, if possible, quantify your achievements. Always remember, simple is the best. So, concise content of the resume is very important. On average, a recruiter spends less than a minute on a resume. Plus, huge unending paragraphs are a big no when it comes to resume writing. Keep it short and crisp. Use bullet points to be clear. Moreover, chunky paragraphs might lead to recruiters missing out on important pieces of information. Hence, break up the big paragraphs and write them in bullet points. This will make the recruiter skim through the resume and spot relevant information easily. It will also help you to maintain the ideal length of the resume. Structure of the job resume also plays an important role. The format of your resume is utmost importance. Keep it simple and a lot of white space and information in bullet points. Also, the content of the resume must be in flow. Therefore, make sure all the details are in chronological order. Your contact details and job summary or resume headline should be at the top of your resume. If you are a fresher, then your education qualifications, internships, and extracurriculum activities should be at the forefront, that is, in the first page. Whereas, if you are an experienced candidate, then you should highlight your work experience. However, your information should be in the reverse chronological order, starting with the most recent studies or work. When writing, outline your key responsibilities, skills, and accomplishment. Once again, make sure all the information is relevant to the job role. Also, your resume should not be more than 2 pages long. While preparing the resume, fonts and format also plays a vital role. Even before reading the content of your resume, the first thing the recruiter notices is the look of your resume. Fonts and formats plays an important role in showing the creative side of you. However, while using a elegant font might give your resume a different look, but it might make it tougher for the recruiter to read. Hence, make sure to use a font that will make your resume look clean and professional. If you're sending a resume to the company HR or a company email ID, then remember you should always add a cover letter. A cover letter is a great way for you to introduce yourself to the recruiter and talk about your achievements in greater detail. However, make sure you are only mentioning relevant and important information in your cover letter. Moreover, having a cover letter with your job resume will not only make you stand out from the rest but also gives you an edge. Overall, in the resume or in the cover letter, language plays an important role. The content of the resume is of the essence. Therefore, use action words like completed, developed, managed, and many more. Using high impact words will help your resume stand out from the crowd. Moreover, make sure that there isn't any spelling or grammatical errors in your resume. Such mistakes can cost you your dream job. Therefore, be very careful about it. A recruiter takes less than a minute to decide whether you are the right candidate for the job or not. Hence, be extra careful about spellings and grammatical mistakes because they might jeopardize all your hard work. Therefore, always proofread your resume before submitting it for a job role. Try to prepare a digitalized job resume. To make your job hunt easier, you should digitalize your resume. It should include links of your previous work like your personal website, application, portfolio or more. This will come especially handy when applying for a job involving social media or coding. Moreover, create a LinkedIn account and connect with people and learn skills that are relevant in your chosen field and use those in your resume. Try to follow the above mentioned points because these are very important. You have to show your creativity, and this would definitely help you to prepare one of the best resumes and also crack a job interview. Thank you so much. All the best.